Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring your current ping so you know what to improve. Once done, pick a VPN that lists low latency or gaming servers and install its client. Make sure to enable the kill switch and select UDP or WireGuard as the protocol. These usually cut overhead. Connect to a server geographically close to the game server or route, not necessarily your country. Now that you're connected, keep monitoring ping numbers to confirm the VPN changed routing. You now optimize settings to squeeze out latency gains. First, try WireGuard or UDP. They prioritize speed over retransmission, which reduces ping. Next, test several nearby VPN endpoints and pick the one that hits the same ISP backbone or peering point as your game server. Once selected, use a wired Ethernet connection and close bandwidth-heavy apps to avoid jitter. Also set MTU to the client recommendation to prevent fragmentation. After adjustments, run repeated ping tests to confirm. You finish by saving the working profile and enabling auto-connect to that server before you play. Once stable, run a few full match tests to ensure consistency and note times when spikes appear. If ping increases, switch to another nearby VPN server or flip protocol between WireGuard and UDP. If that fails, compare direct ISP pings to the VPN route to spot routing issues. Make sure to contact your VPN's support with traceroutes if problems persist so they can investigate peering or routing fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.